Hey, welcome back to Abuksi Global Radio. My name's Arpha Kamakawa. I'm your host today, and this is Abuksi Global Radio Evening Chat with I, myself, Alpha Nyibuto. Now today, we're talking about the United States of America, where many Kenyans come here for a better living and a better success. This is Abuksi Global Radio, our Facebook page, Instagram, and also Twitter. Make sure you follow us there at Abuksi Global Radio. Now, the United States of America, many people live in Texas, many people live in Minnesota, many people live in Iowa, many people live in Washington. Where do you live at? Tell me where you live at and where are you catching me from, or where you are watering me from. Now, the United States of America, how do you live life here in the United States of America? It's a very difficult way of living life, especially with COVID-19 that's hit this specific country. There are many things that happen school-wise for students, work for adults, and also for people that come here just specifically for education, the higher education. How does it work here in the United States of America? Make sure you join me on the evening chat. This is Abuksi Global Radio. My name's Alpha Nyibuto. We're talking about this specific place they call the United States of America, the land of milk and honey. But bring your own milk and honey. This is Abuksi Global Radio. Stay tuned.